We've all been there. That moment when the weight of everything seems to press down on you, that feeling of being pulled in a million directions, like you're being stretched too thin. You've got your main gig, the one that pays the bills, the one that demands most of your time and energy, but then there's that passion project, that side hustle, calling your name, whispering to you in the quiet moments. It's a constant battle, right? Trying to find the time and energy for it all. It's tough, no doubt. The struggle to balance everything can be overwhelming, but listen, it's also incredibly common. You're not alone in this journey. More and more people are choosing to pursue their passions alongside their 9-to-5s. It's a growing trend. And you know what? It's completely doable. With the right mindset and tools, you can make it work. With a little bit of planning and a whole lot of dedication, you can absolutely rock both. It's about finding that balance. Don't beat yourself up if you feel overwhelmed sometimes. It's natural to feel that way. It's all part of the process. Every challenge you face is a step towards growth. Remember, you're not alone in this. There are countless others walking the same path, finding their way just like you. So why do we do it? Why do we choose to spend our evenings and weekends working on something extra? Why put ourselves through the stress of juggling multiple things at once? Well, it's simple, really. It's not just about the hustle, it's about the passion and drive behind it. Side hustles light us up. They ignite a spark within us that our regular jobs might not. They give us a chance to explore our passions, to learn new skills, and to grow in ways we never imagined. They allow us to be our own bosses, to take control of our destiny, and to make decisions that align with our personal goals. They offer a sense of freedom and fulfillment that's hard to find elsewhere. The satisfaction of seeing your own project come to life is unparalleled. And, let's be honest, a little extra cash never hurt anyone. Right, that financial cushion can make a big difference. Whether it's turning a hobby into a business, something you love into something profitable, or freelancing on the side, offering your skills to a wider audience. Side hustles can open up a world of possibilities. They can lead to new opportunities and unexpected paths. It's about more than just money. It's about the journey, the learning, and the growth. It's about pursuing your dreams one step at a time. Every small effort brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Let's be real, though. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job can feel like a circus act sometimes. There are only so many hours in a day, and something's got to give, right? It's easy to feel overwhelmed, to let deadlines slip, to sacrifice sleep. Trust me, I've been there, but here's the thing, it's all about finding what works for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Some people thrive on early mornings, while others do their best work late at night. The key is to experiment and figure out your own rhythm. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, my friend. Time management is your new best friend. It's the secret weapon that can transform your side hustle from a chaotic mess into a well-oiled machine. Seriously, it's the key to making this whole side hustle thing work. And it's not as daunting as it sounds. With a little planning and discipline, you can master it. Start by identifying your most productive hours. Knowing when you're at your peak can make a huge difference. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Understanding your natural rhythm helps you plan better. Schedule your side hustle tasks for those times when you're feeling your most energized and focused. This way, you can tackle the most challenging tasks when you're at your best. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This approach not only makes the workload seem less overwhelming, but also gives you a clear roadmap to follow. This makes everything seem less overwhelming and helps you track your progress. Seeing those small wins can be incredibly motivating. And don't be afraid to say no sometimes. It's crucial to protect your time and energy. It's okay to set boundaries and protect your time. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your hustle. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful side hustle. Progress takes time, and that's perfectly fine. Be kind to yourself and celebrate the small victories along the way. Each step forward is a step closer to your goal.